Hey, we're going to look at the harmonic minor again. Now keep in mind that this is a totally different scale to all of the modes that you've been learning. Okay, so this is the minor scale, and we'll have a quick look at the notes. So running through the first octave, you've got very similar to your minor, so you've got a flat third, flat six, but you've got a natural seven. All right, so that gives this scale a few extra just half steps where those notes are close together. Really cool. So what we're going to look at for the second octave is starting from here, we've got all right, so same as your minor scale. Then when we come down to the B string, just the two notes, and on the E string, we're back onto the fourth fret to get to that natural seventh, okay? All right, and that's where we finish off. Now to turn around though, we're gonna go out to the seventh and eighth for our turnaround. So it's four notes on that E string. So it's looking at that'll take a little bit of getting used to. Just used to running three notes and maybe two on your strings. Running a four note can be a little bit different. All right, so let's have a little run through, nice and slow. So we have first octave, up into our second, turn around, coming back. All right, run through that one again. All right, we'll take a little bit of getting used to. We'll run through it again. And once more. All right, now with this one, you've got that great almost Middle Eastern vibe going to it, and you can actually run back as well. So if I started a descending run, all right, there's my natural seventh right there, one fret back, and it's really awesome. So if you're doing a descending run, so give that one a try as well. You can run it over the two octaves. Your descending run gets a little tricky then with your turnarounds because you've got to do the two notes. All right, and that's a big drop back, but really cool. So if you're running your descending, so we go. All right, so again, this scale has just got that really cool jumps in it, and gaps, and the intervals are really interesting. All right, we're going to look at the arpeggio for this, and it's a bit wild. Practice, you will get it. Now, starting from our first right up on the top. So we look at our first octave arpeggio is, all right, nice. Now, up and back. All right, if I'm looking at my second octave, okay, the notes are from there. Now to do that is a little bit tricky. So in our second octave, if we've finished on our third finger, we want to stretch back with our second finger to get a flat across here, leaving our first finger primed for that fourth fret on that seventh. All right, stretching back. All right, we'll run through nice and slow. All right, one more time. Great arpeggio. All right, not going to put too much more into this one. I think that's a heap to wrap your head around. Give that one a really good practice, and we'll see you next time.